So in the previous video for name and formula of ionic compounds, I said I was going to do formula to name, but I didn't. I felt like it was getting too long, so I cut that short. So this video is specifically for writing the name for ionic compounds. Okay, so let's do that right now. So let's say I have a compound and my compound is, right, there we go. So all you need to do is, it's very simple. First, we're gonna name the first element, and then the next one is we're gonna go and name the second element, and it should end in "ide." If it's a single element like this, then it will end in "ide," just to remind you. Okay, all right, here we go. So first we have lithium, so I'm just gonna write lithium. Now, as I'm not gonna write that 2 anymore, because that lithium only has 1 charge, so I don't really need to write any other number. So that's just gonna be lithium, and then oxygen, if it ends in "ide," is gonna be oxide. The end. That's it. All right. So that is how we write our chemical form, our what is this, how we name the ionic compound using the chemical formula. There we go. All right, so let's try another one, but in this case let's use a polyatomic ion. All right, we're going to use this ones. So let's say I have, this one has a little bit more, I mean, not really a lot of extra step. Just make sure you know what your polyatomic ions are. So let's say I have Ca and then NO3. There we go. Okay. So again, we are not going to care at this point about the numbers because we're just naming this. So really, we start with calcium. Now, because your second ion is made up of 2 or more nonmetals, it will automatically be a polyatomic ion. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the chart, and we're going to look at where is NO3. I actually don't. Oh, there, I found it. All right. So NO3 is right here. So the name of that one is nitrate. Nitrate. And you're done. That's it. Okay. So write the first element, figure out if the second ion is a polyatomic ion or not. If it's not, then end it with "ide," and if it is, then make sure that you go and find the name from the chart. All right, so go, and I hope you are able to understand more how to do this and be able to replicate this on your test.